How to change name on TikTok before 7 days. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open TikTok app first and go straight to Profile. In Profile, if you click on Edit Profile and then on Name, you can see you can change your name once, but if you go back and try to change your name again, you cannot do that. TikTok will ask you to wait for 7 days to be able to change your name again. So what you can do here is go back to your profile and this time click on the three dots that you see on the top right of your screen. And then click on Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down and look for the Report a Problem option and click on that. Since we are not able to change our name, we will click on the Account and Profile option and then on Editing Profile. You will be provided with various options. Click on Updating Name. TikTok will now send you suggestions regarding how you can do so, and since our problem is not resolved, click on No and then on Need More Help. Now, in the feedback, write your problem, like you changed your name mistakenly and the username you added was incorrect. So you want to change it again and click on Submit. With this, your feedback has been submitted. You will receive a reply from TikTok sooner or later. However, if you don't want to go through the hassle of waiting and everything, what you can do is go to Settings and then on General and click on Date and Time. Change your date to 7 days from today and you can see you are now able to change your username since TikTok uses your device date and time for processing. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.